Hi friends, welcome back to my kitchen. Imagine sinking your teeth into a perfectly cooked, juicy pork tenderloin with the most delightful little roasted potatoes. Well, stop imagining. Let's make it happen. Let's get started. I've got a pork tenderloin right here. Now I've divided this baking sheet into two halves. On one half, I formed a little aluminum foil tray in which I placed the pork tenderloin. Now, I've also already inserted a temperature probe so that we can keep up with the internal temperature while it's baking. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees. I've got stuff to put on it, so let's get started with that. Starting with brown sugar, garlic, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, two tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, going to whisk that together. Here's what that looks like. We're going to pour that across the top. Make sure all that good garlic gets out there. Then we're going to spin that around a couple of times. Make sure it's good and coated. Looking good. Now, onto the potatoes. But first, I'm going to change out these gloves. I've got new gloves. I got the potatoes. Baby potatoes that I've cut into half. We're going to be adding 3 tablespoons of oil, in this case olive oil. My other favorite oil is avocado oil. To that we're also going to be adding some Italian seasoning, some garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste, and just a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Gonna mix that all up, make sure it's good and coated. Okay, we're gonna be putting the potatoes on the other half of that baking sheet. Now I used parchment paper. If you don't use parchment paper, you're probably going to want to be greasing up, oiling the baking dish for the potatoes. Make sure we got that Parmesan spread around. Looking good. Time to go into the oven. They're going to be in there for about 40 minutes. Now we're going to want to be using some tongs and flipping the pork tenderloin probably about every 5 to 10 minutes or so. Okay, the cooking on the pork loin coming along really well, but we still have a little ways to go. But in the meantime, in order to have a third item on our plate, I'm going to add something green. We're going to use asparagus. So I'm going to get that ready, and I'm going to do it the quick and easy way. First, going to wash some asparagus. After you rinse it, put it in a paper towel. Now, you could add extra seasoning to it right now, but we have so much seasoning in the pork loin and the potatoes, I'm just going to leave them pretty plain for right now, and if necessary, we could add a little bit of butter to them later. But just kind of roll them up in the paper towel. So now the paper towel is also moist. And as we get closer to the cooking time being finished, I'm going to be putting these in the microwave for about 60 seconds per bundle. That's all it's going to take, and they're going to come out perfect, I promise. So I'll check back in with you in just a few minutes. Okay, I've pulled it out of the oven. I let it rest a little bit. Plated it up. Gunner's very anxious for his sample, so let's get him out of the way real quick. Gunner, come here. Good boy. Gunner's loving it. Now, let me give this a try. This is incredibly tender, very juicy. All those flavors are coming through. Gunner can't wait to get more. But what about the potatoes? Okay, Gunner. Very soft, very mushy. Great, great flavor. They really are delightful. Take my word for it. These are awesome. Hey, if you're enjoying the video, give us a like down below. Gunner says, hey, let us know where you're from down in the comments and any other things that you want to tell us. And please consider a subscription. And we will catch y'all. He says we will catch y'all the next time. Bye-bye.